Hello everyone, let us solve the following. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Okay, so here one AP is given. For that AP 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Then we need to find out the 31st term of the same AP. Okay, arithmetic progression. Now so, we solve this problem by using the simple formula, the general formula called, the nth term of an AP. How can we find the nth term of an AP? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first number and n is the number of terms and D is the common difference. Okay, right now using the given information, we are going to write down two equations. What are they? We know the 11th term of the AP A11 is equal to 38. Okay, and 16th term of an AP A16 is equal to 73. We are just applying the general formula of nth term. Here A11 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, no? So that is why A plus 10D is equal to 38. Okay, so for the same way the 16th term A16 is equal to 73. Applying the general formula here, A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A plus 15D is equal to 73. Okay, let us consider A plus 10D is equal to 38 as the equation 1. A plus 15D is equal to 73 is the equation 2. Okay, now let us subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, so what is our equation 1? A plus 10D is equal to 38 and A plus 15D is equal to 73 is the equation 2. We are subtracting from one to the other, equation 1 from 2 from equation 2. Okay, so A plus 15D, left hand terms one side and right hand terms one side. Okay, variables one side and consonants one side. Okay, so we are subtracting in the same way. So we are subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. That is why we have taken A plus 15D minus A plus 10D is equal to 73 minus 38. Simple subtraction. Okay, so we are releasing brackets here. So how to subtract A plus 15D? Here minus applies to both the terms. That's why we need to apply minus to A as well as 10D. That's why A plus 15D minus A minus 10D is equal to 73 minus 38 becomes 35. So 15D minus 10D is equal to 35 because plus A minus A gets cancelled. Okay, A otherwise A minus A is equal to 0. Okay, so this one and this one gets cancelled. So finally, how much it become? 15D minus 10D, that is equal to 5D. 5D is equal to 35. So obviously D becomes 7. Okay, so how can D become 7? 5D is equal to 35, D is equal to 35 by 5, that is equal to 7. So the common difference between the terms in that particular AP is equal to 7. Okay, now we know the equation A plus 10D is equal to 38. Okay, so we don't know the first term of the AP. So we are going to find out the first term of the AP now because we are able to find out the common difference there. Okay, D is equal to 7. We are able to find it out. So let us substitute D is equal to 7 back in equation 1. Okay, so A plus 10D is equal to 38. Okay, so A plus 10D is equal to 38. So here A we do not know, D is equal to 7. So we have substituted D value here. A plus 10D means here that is 70, that is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70, that is nothing but minus 32. That means we have substituted the common difference in the equation which is related to the 11th term. Okay, right. So by substituting the common difference in the 11th term, nth term general formula, we are able to find out the first term. What is first term here? A is equal to minus 32. Okay, now we know the common difference and we know the first term. Then it is easy for us to find out the nth term, because here we are asked to find out the 31st term. Okay, so they have given 11th term and 16th term, and we are asked to find out the 31st term. With the help of the 11th term and 16th term, we are able to find out the common difference. Again, substituting the common difference, we are able to find out the first term. What is first term here? A, that is minus 32. And what is the common difference here? That is 7. D is equal to 7. So n is nothing but 31 here, because we are going to find out the 31st term only. Okay, so the general formula is equal to an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is just we are substituting. Okay, so minus 32 plus n is nothing but 31. So 31 minus 1 into d. D means here the common difference. So minus 32 plus 30 into 7. Okay, so minus 32 plus 30 into 7 means 210. Okay, 210. So minus 32 plus 210. Okay, now how does it become? It becomes 178. Okay, so what is the 31st term in the AP, where 11th term is where 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73? That is nothing but 178. Okay, so we are able to find out the 31st term of the same AP. Okay, here they did not give the first term, they did not give the common difference, just they have given two different terms in the AP. With those two terms, we are able to find out the common difference as well as the first term. Ultimately, we can find the 31st term of the same AP. So, what is the 31st term of that particular AP? It is nothing but 178. Okay, right. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.